Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to restore your old Notion account or lost workspace. Can't find your old Notion pages or workspaces after reinstalling or switching devices? Here's how to get it back fast. First, open the Notion app. After First open the Notion app and then type login. Use the same email, Google, or Apple ID you originally used. That's how Notion links your old workspace. If you used Google email, tap send magic link, open your inbox, tap link to login. Once inside, check your workspace switcher, top left, your old workspace might just be hidden there. If you can't still find it, go to settings and do all the things. After that, if you have chosen Apple, then click sign in with Apple, and then you will be back to your old account directly. Privacy tip: only use your personal device or trusted network when restoring old accounts to avoid syncing issues or leaks. And that's it. Subscribe for more Notion recovery and setup tips.